Hi, and welcome to the Causality Engine product demo. So first thing we're going to want to do is sign up to create an account. Good. As you can see, we're going to use a strong password. It needs to be secure. As we selected a strong password, we're going to proceed towards our short onboarding form because there are specific problems that we've distilled with various e-commerce brands, and it's important for us to understand how we can best service you. Once we have that filled in, getting to know you, we look at what's most important for you. So, do you understand what's going on in your marketing? All the way to, are you specifically interested in the campaigns? To, do you have any idea on how bad or good your current attribution, traditional attribution as we call it, is working for you? Then comes the fun part where you only have to upload a CSV that you extract from Google, which we explain on how to do this specifically. Once you get the file, you upload it into the system. Here you can see where you can grab it in your Google Analytics. Our systems will check if this is the right file. It will be mapped accordingly so that you can work directly. As you can see, this is a file size that's big enough for us. We just triple check that it's all mapped out correctly. Then we can proceed. Let's give this a nice name. Best attribution ever. Now comes the fun part. We like to be transparent. So not only are we telling you what we're doing, but you can also see the code running a bit. Gives you an estimate of how far along we are. Once this all has been processed, then you will get some minor insights. And another cool part of this minor insight piece is that you will have pre-rendered some of your dashboard in the actual tool itself. So this speeds things up in advance. Once you've onboarded payment, you will see your dashboard being populated. And we've decided to go with 3 different types of tabs. The first one being the narrative, where once you scroll, you get all the insights that are relevant to your brand. And then we have the Explore tab, where you can really drill down into the specific pieces of your marketing mix. You can see what's working for you, what's generating the most value in how many days, how to optimize. You can see what happens if you try and remove one of the specific channels. Let's say you were to remove paid shopping. How does this affect the other channels? You can see the direct impact based on our own proprietary algorithm. And finally, the classic dashboard model, where you can just see again everything, and it brings you to the sub pieces with maybe our pièce de résistance, the what if simulator, where we enable our users to play around with a simulation of what it would do to their marketing if they were to move around some of the allocations. Does it increase revenue, but does it decrease return on investment? This is very deep analysis, financial modeling that we've built into this product. But going back to the front, one of the most important things there is to consider when going through our tool with all the insights that we give is we label the LLM input. So if there is no such label as we will see here, then it is from our proprietary model. We have built into it a failsafe that we only show LLM outputs because we are wary of hallucinations, and we only show digesting and processing from our single source of truth, which is our own model. So if you do not see this label, then it's hard math. We have been very diligent to put this everywhere, specifically in our tool, meaning that we are also proud to say that more than 80% is 100% home cooked maths. We aim to get this up to the 90 to 10%, but on the other hand, sometimes it just is very helpful to have these LLM injections. And last but not least, you can talk to your data. That's it for now. this is the product, Causality Engine.